everybody, and welcome back to my channel. It's Walanda. Now, if you've seen my fitness, health, motivational tip type video, if you haven't, I'll go ahead and leave it down below. Then you know that I've said numerous times I don't eat clean, and I'm really trying to improve that. So you guys know I will not come on here and try to sell you any weight loss supplements because I don't use them at all. So there's no point of me coming on here and try to make you guys buy these weight loss pills just for a buck. So I was able to try this Organifi green juice gently dry superfood powder. This is not a weight loss product at all. This is a powder which helps you increase your vegetable intake if you are lacking in that. This has coconut and ashwagandha infused in here, and it has so many different other natural organic ingredients such as wheatgrass, maca green tea, horseradish, coconut water. All you basically do is add a scoop to either your favorite smoothie, favorite milk, water. You can even add it to any ingredients, pancake mix. So if you juice before, you know it is time consuming, it gets very messy, and the taste is not very pleasant. So basically this is a USDA organic powder, and it is gluten free, it is soy free, it is dairy free, and it is vegan, which really helps hydrate and revitalize and boost your immune functions. And this is claimed to be the #1 best tasting green juice. But trust me, if you're not used to juicing, this would taste nasty to you, because at first it tastes nasty to me. I had to find certain liquids that I like to drink to infuse this in it. So I love orange juice. I drink orange juice every morning with my breakfast. So definitely I tried this with orange juice, and it tastes way better than trying it with water, because that was not going for me. So basically this juice is supposed to reduce stress, balance hormones, detoxify your body, basically flush out anything that is toxic. It's supposed to rejuvenate your skin. It has both alkaline greens and superfood proprietary ingredients blended into it. So it just has a whole bunch of great stuff in it. For those juicers out there, you guys know the benefits of juicing. It's basically supposed to clarify everything on the inside and just make you have an overall healthy appearance from the inside out. So what Organifi did was put all the juicing aspect and eliminate all that hard work and put it in a can for you, so you can go ahead and make your life a little bit more easier. So I've been using this for about 2 weeks now, and definitely I could feel that it has been cleansing my inside. I realized I do go to the restroom a lot more. I was thinking about putting fiber in my drinks to help loosen and clean out my intestines, but I definitely noticed I have been releasing a little bit more because of the juicing, because I really haven't done anything else to my diet to make that change. So I've noticed that about it, but I've only been using it for 2 weeks, so I am going to continue to use it to see what other added benefits that I realize it is giving to me. So like I said before, if you're not used to juicing, this taste is definitely an acquired taste. It will not taste pleasant to you, so you need to find ways to definitely incorporate this in your meal so you could get the added benefits that it is providing. So if you guys want an update or a final impression on what I feel about the green juice, then go ahead and leave the comment down below. If you have used or tasted the green juice before, go ahead and let me know what you think about it, because it is an acquired taste. And is it really the #1 tasting green juice you've ever tried? Let me know down below. I hope the video was very informative. If it was, go ahead and thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video if you think it was helpful, and follow me on Instagram at imported_chocolate, Snapchat imported_cocoa. And with that being said, I thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. It's Walanda. This is a Fashion Nova haul. So if you're interested to see what I picked up, go ahead and stay tuned. We party, we funky. We thank you the love for the junkie.